Let me get your other hand back here.
I'm sorry. I'm not supposed to bother me.
Shut up. Shut the f up. Get up. Roll over on your side.
Oh, I'm sorry, girl.
Sit up.
Recorded. I don't have nothing.
You got something. What's your first name?
Jason.
Where's your wallet, Jason?
In my back pocket.
Roll over on your side.
Just set another fire.
Nice, dude.
Multiple fires in a forest in Marion County, Florida have started appearing all over the area. Several officers, the fire department, and a helicopter unit are dispatched to the scene to stop the fire.
Air 4.
B-26, there's possibly a subject actively starting fires. Yeah, it's simple. We've got one person to the south of where firefighters are in the woods now, possibly near a tent. Don't know if he's a homeless individual or if this is the one that we're looking for, but there is a fire close to him. 20.
Six active fires.
Hey, Air 426, we're head that way now.
I'm almost out. I'm out. Oh, just hit the big stuff. I can stomp out this little stuff.
6620. I got more fires starting a little bit further south of where all the rescue units are at.
10-4.
Yeah, one Marion, add 2 more fires to the list. We've got 2 that are just popped up on the
Try to at least get the flames. Yeah, I'm making my way over there.
Alright, just had another one pop up south of you, so we got 3 right along baseline now. 3 fires are right along baseline on the west side.
10-4, 10-12 northeast.
Hey,
About 10 to 15 yards.
Yes, I have an officer with me. I'm going to let you go so I can...
Hey, what's going on? What's going on?
My name is William.
Okay, who's doing the fires?
I don't know.
Okay.
That's why I called for help, because that one looks like it's getting out of control. There was another one.
Okay. All right.
Alright, whoever the youth, he's about 100 yards ahead of you. Whoever's closest to your patrol vehicles, go back to your patrol vehicle and continue going south. Alright, unit that's southbound, hold your position right there, just past that driveway, straight into the woods. He's still going southbound.
can you advise how far into the woods?
He's about 20 to 30 yards into the wood line. You're a little too far south. That's 10-4, just keep heading towards the spotlight. He just set another one.
Sure one, the subject you're watching just set another one.
That's 10-4, just set another fire.
67, we can't see much. How far are we?
Start going to your left.
We're gaining on him at all?
You guys are maintaining a distance at the moment. He's moving pretty good. He's working his way south down towards that power substation. If we can put a unit in there.
Hey, one, are you still hitting the spotlight?
Yeah, he's still in the spotlight. Go 90 degrees left, 90 degrees left.
Go left, go left. This is 10 minutes, we just hit the trail.
Okay, I see you guys on the trail now. Go 90 degrees to your left. He's about 25 yards to your left.
Nice, dude. See the fire right there.
Give me your flashlight. Alright, proceed that direction. Best pace you can. Alright, come back a little bit more to the south, to your right, where you see the light.
Big spider right here.
Keep going south. Keep going towards the spotlight.
Holy shit, dude. At the light. We gotta be right on top of him almost. How are we looking?
A little more to your left. Keep going. He's about 20 yards ahead of you.
I got visual. Let me see your hand!
You guys are right near him. I can't see you guys onto the trees right now.
Let me see your fucking hands! Hands behind your back! Go! Let me get your other hand back here.
I'm sorry. I'm not just bothering me.
Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Get up! Roll over on your side.
Oh, I'm trying to go.
Sit up.
Retarded.
What do you got on you?
I just have to sit down.
Sit down. Sit down.
Hey, sir. I don't have nothing.
You got something. What's your first name?
Jason? Where's your wallet, Jason? In my back pocket. Roll over on your side. I'm taking just your wallet out of your pocket. Yes, sir. Jason.
Yes, I got a warrant.
Oh, good. I'll be taking you to jail for that then, huh? Good eyes, bud.
I'm an honest person.
Yeah? So what were you doing out here in these woods?
I was just sitting here chilling by myself.
You're just sitting here chilling by yourself. We'll talk about that more later. How's that?
Okay.
Sit up. We're gonna get you out of here.
What are you moaning about?
My chest.
How come your chest hurts now, but it wasn't when you were doing all that shit in the woods? You can run through the woods and start fires? Stand up. You got anything else you gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me?
I don't care, no weapon.
You don't care, no weapons, just stuff to start fires, right?
Stand up.
Hey, you can either walk out of here like you walked in,
Or we can drag you out.
or we'll drag you out of here.
walk.
No, but
that?
he's already making spontaneous statements that he did it because his girlfriend broke up with him, and he said he only has a few months left to live from colon cancer.
And I am too.
No, you're not a piece of you're not a piece of shit, buddy. You're just made a really bad decision.
I got any? Did you have spiders on you?
I didn't check yet.
Good job, bud.
Good job on you.
Man, you did good.
You were running through like banana spiders like the size of $half.